We are back on the trail again. Whew. It's good to finally come back outside after a while. And it really brings a smile to my face, Just hearing the peace and quiet and just the vibe. And my brain, how do I even say this? The power that we have as a species, the power to give and to take life, that's where I'm going with this is leaves. We're in the winter, as they say, right? The leaves fall, we fall, but then life regrows. The energy regrows. Just like us, we're unique, right? We find our mate. For a man like me, I look for a woman. And we bring life into this world like a leaf. We are that. For me, I'm that leaf that still has life, but it's going to eventually deteriorate and fall into the ground. As you can see, we go to the ground. But that's interesting though. We go into a casket and not the ground. And why do they put us in caskets? I want to hear y'all thoughts on that. Very interesting. Very interesting. But anyway, the sacrifices we make for our families, we go out, we go work, we get the funding to provide, and we do it again the next day and the next day here in this world. You want to thrive, you want to enjoy the sounds and just not take your life for granted. This may sound boring to many people, but I just wanted to come out here and just share that bit of knowledge. Just seeing the uniqueness that we have with this earth as creators. Because the earth is a creator itself. It gives life to the trees, it gives life to the birds, to deer, you name it. Even the critters. Giving life. Look at all these birds. Hold on. You can't really see them, but yeah, there's one. Ooh. Okay. Just watching them do their thing. No restrictions like us. They have, order in their being. It's so wonderful out here. You take the time and just admire. I hope you guys are taking in as much of life's experiences, But I just wanted to share that with you guys. And the sounds of nature and knowing that it's beautiful. Nature's beautiful, we're beautiful. You guys deserve so much life like these animals. But I want to share y'all this and then close out the video. Birds are just... Oh, woodpecker. Didn't know if you saw that, but let me see if I can get it before I close it out. Yeah, I couldn't find it. I saw it on one of these trees over here, but oh well. Let me not take on any more of your time. Just wanted to just let you guys know that continue to give more time for yourself and not let this system take that away from you. Because that's what they're pushing for, is to strip greatness from you, from us. You are deserving of so much love, for real. Give that to yourself. Blessings, love. This is your man Zoe, and I'm out. Peace.